According to the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange, the value of Bitcoin has plunged below $31,000, £25,140, less than half of what it was at its high in November. The fall of the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization coincides with a global stock market sell-off. Key European, Asian, and US markets all fell again on Monday. Riskier assets are being replaced by safe havens such as the dollar. Riskier assets are being replaced by safe havens such as the dollar. The Nikkei market in Japan fell 2.5% on Monday, while the FTSE 100 in London fell more than 2%. In the United States, the Dow sank nearly 2%, the S&P 500 fell 3.2%, and the Nasdaq fell 4.3%, extending recent losses. Uber was one of the companies that contributed to the decrease. On Monday, the company's stock plunged more than 11% after media sources reported that CEO Dara Khosrowshahi had told employees that investors were growing more wary about making investments. Uber would respond, he added, by cutting costs and limiting hiring. He stated in the letter, "It's evident that the market is undergoing a seismic transformation, and we must respond accordingly. The average Uber employee is just over 30, implying that you've had a long and unprecedented career upswing. This time will be different, and it will necessitate a different strategy." When markets are volatile, traditional investors may typically sell riskier assets, such as digital currency, and put their money into safer investments. Professional investors, including as hedge funds and money managers, have been more involved in trading what was formerly the domain of individual investors and enthusiasts, causing cryptocurrency markets to follow wider trends. Bitcoin's price has dropped more than 10% in the previous day and more than 20% in the last week, accounting for over a third of the cryptocurrency market with a total worth of close to $570 billion. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, has also dropped in value, losing more than 20% in the last week. Although volatile digital asset trading has been common in recent years, the cryptocurrency market has been rather quiet in 2022. Although volatile digital asset trading has been common in recent years, the cryptocurrency market has been rather quiet in 2022. Central banks around the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia, hiked interest rates last week in a bid to combat rising prices. The Federal Reserve of the United States boosted its key lending rate by 0.5 percentage point, the largest increase in more than 2 decades. This has increased market concerns that inflation and increasing borrowing costs will have a significant impact on global economic development. Investors are also concerned about the global economic implications of the Ukraine conflict. In the meantime, El Salvador and the Central African Republic have made Bitcoin legal tender in the last year. The International Monetary Fund has encouraged El Salvador to rethink its decision to allow consumers to use cryptocurrency alongside the US dollar in all transactions.